Hi guys, I'm Max Weinbach with XDA TV, and today I'm going to show you how to get edge lighting on non-messaging apps on Samsung phones that support edge lighting. Let's get started. So I've got my Galaxy S10 Plus here. I'm going to be showing you on my Galaxy S10 Plus, but this should work on any other One UI device from Samsung that has edge lighting. So before we get into the app, I'm going to be showing you to fix it. We can go to edge lighting here, and you can see I have it always turned on, both screen on and off, always. And I do have it set for all apps, and that includes Instagram, which is what I'm going to be showing you guys specifically. So if I open up Instagram here, you can see it's open. Let's send myself a message, test, on my other phone here. You can see I get a edge lighting notification. It pops up at the top, right? Now when I shut off my phone and send that notification again, you can hear my phone vibrates, but there's no edge lighting notification. I don't know why Samsung does this, but they do. So there's an app to fix it. It's called Edge Lighting Fix for All Apps Demo. It's super easy. You allow its access to your notifications, and then you actually have to go and select the application you want. In my case, I'm going to do Instagram. Sorry, this shows every app, system, and user installed. Okay, here we go. Now, once I enable Instagram, an ad. There we go. Back here, I enabled Instagram. Now you actually have to go into detailed instructions, and you can see that you have to enable the edge lighting. So I do have this enabled since I have all apps enabled. If you don't have all apps enabled, you'll have to manually go in and select it. I enabled all apps, so it shows up. And then you also have to go into your color settings. In your color settings, let me just show you guys here. You have to go over to edge lighting style, color, then custom color. And now where it says by text and by app, you have to enter the name of the app as it shows up in that in the other app. You have to write it exactly how it shows up. So Instagram, it's easy. It's just that. And then we can set this to whatever color we want. So I will set it to a nice like lime green, more yellow than green. Perfect. And now when I send myself a notification or a message from my other device, it shows up with the app, Instagram's own notification here. But when I lock my phone and go off the always on display, by the way, always on display and lock screen are both. It doesn't show for either unless you have this app set up. But now once I go off my lock screen, or always on display here, you can see you have that nice neon yellow green that I set up through the app. This will work for any app that, any app. Messaging app by default will show, but no other apps do. This will fix it for you so you can have any app in your always on display with edge lighting. It's a nice, useful feature, especially if your phone turned over. And it kind of sucks Samsung doesn't support it by default, but this app at least fixed it, so we still have access to it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you're going to set this up. And also feel free to follow me on Twitter. I will link it in the description, my Twitter. And I will answer any questions if you guys have any questions about this app or anything else. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, do all the normal stuff.